Today I'm going to show you guys a super easy recipe to make my cilantro chimichurri, which I love putting on top of my steaks. So I'm also going to show you guys how to cook the perfect filet medium rare. Let's get started. First, you're going to add 2/3 cup of cilantro, a 1/2 cup of flat leaf Italian parsley, 3 cloves of garlic, red wine vinegar, red onions, salt and pepper, red chili flakes, and olive oil into a food processor. Alternatively, you can also use a magic bullet or a NutriBullet. You're just going to give a few quick pulses, maybe about 5 or 6. You want to make sure not to overblend your cilantro chimichurri. To make the steak, you're going to put a cast iron skillet on high heat and saute on both sides for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're nice and brown. Don't forget to also get your sides. I'm going to throw in a few shishito peppers from my garden. Then you're going to place in the oven at 400 degrees, and using a meat thermometer, you want to take it out once it reaches 130 degrees. Make sure to let your steak rest for about 5 minutes before cutting into it. And that's how you get the perfect medium rare steak with cilantro chimichurri.